Ingredients: sugar 125 grams, salted butter 30 grams, flour 63 grams, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, potato flour 63 grams, 2 whole eggs, 3 egg yolk, icing sugar. Method: take a tin and grease it with oil and butter paper. Grease it well and properly. Then take one container and put 2 whole eggs into it. And after that, add 3 egg yolks into it and mix it well properly. And take the hand grinder to mix the eggs properly and add sugar into it. Then start mixing all the batter properly using hand. Take 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and pour into the batter and mix it well using hand grinder again. Mix the whole batter properly till the batter makes fluffy. You can see our batter, it looks fluffy. After that, pour flour into it and mix it using cut and fold method. You can see into it how I am mixing. After that, add half of the potato flour into it and mix it using cut and fold method again. After that, add remaining flour into it and mix it well using cut and fold method. After that, add remaining flour and again mix it well using cut and fold method. Then add salted butter into it and again mix it well using cut and fold method. And mix the whole batter properly till the batter looks fluffy. Then take the tin and pour the whole batter into it properly. And then dab the cake tin so that batter settles down. After that, put the cake tin in the oven for 3 on 3 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Celsius till 40 minutes. After that, take out the cake from the oven and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes and then take out on the plate and ice it with the icing sugar and serve it, and your cake is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.